Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Massachusetts DOR, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Massachusetts Department of Revenue website. In the top right corner of the home page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. You will see two options, individuals and businesses. Select the appropriate option based on your status. If you are an individual, click on Individuals. For businesses, click on Businesses. Next, enter if you do not have a user ID, click on the link to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account if you are a new user. Once you have your user ID, enter your password in the next field. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After entering your user ID and password, double-check for accuracy. When you're ready, click on the Login button. You will be redirected to your account dashboard. If your login is successful, you will have access to your tax information and services. If you encounter any issues, check your user ID and password for errors. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the DOR customer service for assistance. Log out of your account once you have completed your tasks for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.